Hello everybody and welcome back to A Rally is Reborn. As you can see, the sunroof is out and that's exactly what I wanted to do tonight. I've taken out the rear windows, I've taken out all the trim inside, I've taken the headliner out, and that's it for the night. My plan is to shoot a video every week, but it can also be 1.5 weeks sometimes, or 2 weeks, depending on how busy I am. Last couple of days were a bit busy with other stuff than cars. But hell, it's a hobby. Good. Let me just show you quickly around how empty the car is becoming, and I'll show you a little time clips as well. Time lapse, sorry. So here it is in poor shape. Engine still in, so I don't need to show you. And sunroof is out. And if you take closely, the roof liner is out. There's only a little bit of sticky tape in the middle, but it's damn hard to get out. So fortunately the roof liner that came out, I didn't have to save it, so I could use some force without, of course, pulling a dent in the roof. But that has been done nicely. There's no dents. Furthermore, the back windows are out. And next up, I'll have to take a few things out of the dashboard, or at least where the dashboard used to be. So that's it. That's it for tonight. Hopefully within a week or a week and a half, I'll show you another video of how far I've come. We've already received the engine mount, so as I take the engine out, I can put it on a hoist and work on it without stretching my back a little bit. And probably this weekend I will get the rotisserie as well, so I can put the car up and rotate it around its axle, and that will make work a lot easier when I'm welding. Good. See you next time. And if you like these kinds of videos, hit the like button or subscribe, even better. Really appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. Thank you.